Hey guys, Chad Charron, General Manager and Owner with Boulevard Cadillac Buick GMC. You guys looking for a truck? You looking for a good deal? Better yet, you looking for an epic experience? Trust in Boulevard, family owned and operated since 1961. There's a reason people fly into Long Beach Airport to buy trucks from us. There's a reason we send multiple generations home in a new vehicle. We're the place that you can trust. Give us a call, click on our website. It'll be included in the comments. Hopefully you can subscribe and look forward to selling you your next truck. See you soon.